Hello and welcome. I'm John, your safety trainer, here with today's lesson on returning to work about warehouse cleanliness and behaviors. Before we begin, remember to sign off on your mobile device or online to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. During a pandemic, local and federal government officials may require that non-essential businesses close for a specified amount of time, and that essential businesses keep running to help the public keep their access to services. Whether you've continued to work in a running warehouse or if you are put on an extended leave of absence, you should do all you can to prepare for your and your coworkers' return in order to help maintain a safe and healthy work environment. This lesson will go over what to do before and after return to the work environment, cleanliness tips, and behavioral strategies that can help your warehouse return to a normal workflow. For many warehouse workers, an extended leave of absence can be detrimental because the work involved can require a lot of physical activity. If you have a return date or are anticipating a return to the warehouse, it is first recommended that you maintain your physical health by eating and exercising properly. Before you go back to the facility, be mindful about cleaning and disinfecting any tools or personal items that you'll be returning with. Additionally, make sure that you are continuing to monitor yourself for symptoms. If you are feeling symptomatic or feeling sick, inform your manager or supervisor. You should also inform your supervisor of any recent exposure you have had to people who have shown symptoms or tested positive for the disease responsible for the pandemic. It is therefore even more critical that you maintain appropriate hygiene habits and get plenty of sleep the night before. Remember, you have a personal responsibility for health in the workplace, so if not for you, do it for your coworkers. When the time arrives to start returning to the warehouse, it can feel daunting and be physically exhausting. Feelings of fear that appear during and after a pandemic can add to both physical and mental stress. Upon your return, it is important that you attend any orientations and safety trainings that are scheduled. Ask your supervisor about any changes that may have occurred while you were absent, and if needed, ask for... Hey everyone, if you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.